Alright y'all, today we're going to be doing what is hopefully a quick and easy install of some new pegs for the 2021 KLX300 here. Here are the stock pegs. We'll get these new ones out and look at them side by side. Let's see, comes with some hardware on there. Alright, yeah, these are going to be Alright, yeah, these are looking to be much wider, which is good. A tad bit longer, it looks. Well, let's see. Probably gonna be right there. Yeah, definitely a tad bit longer as well, for sure. So wider and longer, that'll be good. My complaint with these stock pegs was, I don't know, it just felt like half my foot was on them. They're tiny. So these should be a good upgrade. I believe you can kind of unscrew these pegs as well if you want. Also, I got these pegs off of Amazon and they were only like 35 bucks, so I'll put that link in the description for you guys and we'll test them out. But right off the bat, they feel real sturdy and decently at least made, and we'll just have to see. I think they'll be fine though. So I'm going to start off by just twisting off this cotter pin right here so we can back this pin out. Alright, well, we got the little cotter pin out, so I'm going to try to back this pin out right here. Boom. Old pegs are off. Well, shoot, that was pretty easy. I don't know about this piece, if this should stay on yet, or what we're going to do with this. Alright, so I'm seeing I got some new springs with this, with some of this hardware. It looks like it came with some new, like the little spring right here, and some cotter pins, and then also some of those little things that you can screw in if you lose some. But let's see, I'm about to figure out if I want to use the old spring or if the new spring is going to be easier to get on there. I just almost had it on with this old spring, so I think I might just use this. Alright, so it took a little bit of pushing, but I got this where it needed to be with the spring and got the pin in, and now I've kind of got it started, just inching it back in. Alright, so not bad actually. I got the pin all the way down in there. Now all I got to do is, let's see, put that cotter pin in there and wrap that, but it got stuck when it was about maybe like this far out for a second, and I kind of had to play with it and get it to go in there right. But once I got it in there, it went right in and was pretty easy. So let's get that cotter pin in there, and that'll be it for this side. Alright, got our cotter pin in there now, and we're just going to take these guys and twist them off. And she's all wrapped off. Alright, I ran out of time yesterday, but we're here to quickly finish up the other side today. Finished up with everything with this left side here, and look at that. And same thing on this side. We're just going to start with getting this cotter pin out, and then we'll be able to pull this pin out, and the pegs will fall right out. I've been finding that these have been working pretty good for the job. Alright, so I can't remember if I showed it on the last one, but I kind of just pull these out a little bit, these sides right here, and then I just take a grab of this guy and just kind of twist it. And we finally got it wiggled out enough so we can just, boom, pull that out. And then this guy will come out. Got that pin out. There we go. Alright, now we're ready to put the next peg on. So I was looking at this foot peg, and even I was having trouble like getting it past this point on that other peg, and it goes in easy right there, but once it gets there, it kind of needs knocking, so gets a little tight on that one for sure. All right, it took me a second and definitely takes two hands, but yeah, I got this bolt started here. This isn't a little bit in the way, so you got to be careful when trying to get that first tapped in there. But yeah, definitely got to hold this, apply some pressure on this spring with your hand when first doing that to do that. But got it in, so hopefully we can get it all the way seated here. And boom, we got it all the way through. That was actually really quick. I kind of just held this peg kind of back a little bit while I was doing it, and it went right through. Now I just got to get that cotter pin in there, so that pin's locked in. All right, we got that cotter pin set in, so got the new pegs on here, much bigger. Overall, not a hard install at all. Yeah, I really like the look of these pegs, and I think now I'm gonna need a black brake lever and a black shifter over here too to match. Overall, easy process, so be sure to drop a like. And so far, these pegs seem like good pegs. As I said before, I'll link them down in the description so you guys can check them out. I'll see y'all.